Hello everyone. Come to discuss question number 9 of exercise 2.2. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So see, we are given two conditions. One is ratio of the ages of two students, and after 4 years, the sum of their ages. By these two conditions, with these two conditions, we will be framing the equation and then we'll be solving it. So see, first in the condition 1, it is given that the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. So we are talking about the ratio here. We are not given the exact age, exact present age. So when ratio is given as information, we have to take it as x. So one will be 5x, one will be 7x. Ratios are the simplified form of comparisons. Suppose if I say 25 and 35. 25:35. If you simplify it, it will be 5:7. Again 40 and 56. If you simplify it, it will also be 5:7. But these are having same these are of same ratio but not equal numbers. So we do not know what are the multiples of it that are being considered as the present age. That is not given in the question. That is why we have to take a random number that is to be multiplied with these two numbers. As we do not know that, we will take it as x. So the present age let us assume the present age of Rahul is 5x and Harun is 7x. Just remember one thing, whenever a ratio is given as information equation question, you need to take it as x like this. Then we are talking about their ages after 4 years. So let us now discuss 4 years later the age of Rahul equals to, the present of Rahul is 5x now. So let us say the present of Rahul is 8 years. So after 4 years, it will be 8 plus 4, obviously, that is 12. So something that comes after 4 years will be added with 4. So after 4 years, the age of Rahul is 5x plus 4. The present is 5x, present age. So that will be 5x plus 4. And Harun equals to 7x plus 4. This is similar as it was before. Then it is given that after 4 years, the sum of their ages will be 56. Means if we add these two ages, it will be 56. It will add up to 56. So according to question, according to question, 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equal to 56. Addition of the ages after 4 years is 56. Let us solve it. There are two x terms. Let us rearrange them. So I need to write 5x plus 7x first plus 4 equal to 56. This implies 5 plus 7 is 12x plus 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. This is equal to 56. This implies in this equation, first we need to remove 8. So 8 will be transposed. This implies 12x equals to 56 minus 8. As 8 was added in earlier side, it will be subtracted in right hand side. So 12x equals to 48. The subtraction is 48. Now see, let us remove 12 from x. X equal to 48 divided by 12. Here you see 48 is the multiple of 12. So we can cancel or divide like this. 12 4s are 48. This implies the value of x is 4. We got the value of x here but not the ages of Rahul and Harun. We have considered them to be 5x and 7x. Along with this value, we will be finding their ages. Therefore, age of Rahul equals to 5x. This is equal to 5 into, let us replace 4 with x. The value of x is 4, so I replace this. This is 20 years. Similarly, age of Harun equals to 7x. This is equal to 7 into 4. This is 28 years. I hope you understand the solution. Keep watching. Thank you.